Inventory control systems develops and maintains an adequate assortment of materials or products to meet a manufacturer's or a customer's demand. The goal of inventory management is to keep inventory levels as low as possible while maintaining an adequate supply of goods to meet the customer's demand. Basically, when you're looking at inventory control systems, the idea is not to keep much stock of anything in hand because that's just money being tied up. However, to keep enough that if customers come asking for a product, we have it. There's a few definitions to look at with inventory control systems. The first one is stock out. This is a situation where a customer demand for an inventory item goes unfulfilled because the requested item is unavailable at the needed time and place. Cycle stock, inventory held temporarily for the purpose of fulfilling predicted demand in a period. For example, most stores would stock up quite heavily prior to Christmas and Black Friday, whereas there may be other special occasions such as Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, where businesses would also stock up on particular items. Did you know more flowers are sold on Mother's Day than Valentine's Day? For businesses, if they're looking at cycle stock, this is where they would temporarily hold larger quantities for the greater demand during this period. And the last definition here, safety stock, also known as a buffer. This is extra inventory held in addition to cycle stock as insurance against unexpected demand increases. A good example of a product in today's world would be toilet paper, sanitizer, even pasta and sauces, perhaps. Production. Building to stock. Products are made in advance of demand based on forecast and are stored until customer order arrives. So for example, cars or auto industry in general, cars are made prior to orders really coming in. The idea is we've developed a new model, let's build it, let's get it out there, let's promote it, customers will come. The whole concept of build it and they will come. Mass customization, build to order. Products are not made until an order is placed by the customer and are made according to customer specification. In terms of mass customization, this is where we're going to do everything from scratch. Only when the order comes in will we make it. You go to a cafe and you order a coffee. Would you like sugar with that? What kind of milk would you like? One shot, double shot, and so on. That's mass customization. Postponement. A hybrid basic unit of products are manufactured in advance of demand and held in strategic form or location. Upon demand, final customization occurs. An example for postponement. So think about your mobile phone. It is made up of lots of different components. Now, regardless of what brand name is on the phone itself, whether it's Samsung, Huawei, Apple, Google, in reality, your phone is made up of lots of different components. The screen, for example, would be made from one particular company who are going to be manufacturing in advance of demand. They know that certain screen sizes are likely to sell. And then once the demand comes in for a particular screen size or a particular phone even, they would send those screens that are already pre-made out there for it to be finally customized. Now, if, say, Apple picks it up, they will use those screens which were pre-made to suit their product. If Huawei picks it up, once again, same process. If Google picks it up, same process. So that's an example of postponement.